Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. This is a really quick video to show you how I hand basted this quilt that I'm getting ready to hand quilt. It'll take me a while to quilt it, but the first step is getting all the layers together and getting those big ugly stitches in there. Now I can sit down and quilt, and it can travel with me. It'll be my friend for a little while I go on trips and go to meetings. So this is a quick video that I hope helps you get your quilt ready for hand quilting. So here I am getting ready to baste my quilt together. I'm getting a quilt sandwich, and this video is not really about getting that sandwich together, but you can see the backing face down on the ping pong table. And then I added batting, and I made sure that everything was really smoothed out, one layer at a time as I went. Now I'm getting ready to put my big ugly basting stitches in with a double threaded needle, a knot on the end, and then I'm going to kind of work around in a zigzaggy fashion rather than going straight stitches. I like to kind of move around because I think that holds the quilt sandwich together a little better. It's less liable to move around. And, you know, kind of a long stitch, big stitches, maybe 2 inches long. And when I get to the end of that thread, I just put the last stitches in and then I cut it off. I don't put a knot on the end when I finish. It seems to be just fine. Stays in there pretty well. You've got so many stitches in there that it will hold it. So this quilt is very portable. I don't use a frame and I don't use a quilting hoop when I quilt. I'll be using big stitches with embroidery floss, and I'll spend a lot of time with this quilt. It takes me a long time to get a quilt quilted, but now it'll be ready once I get all these basting stitches in. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time in my sewing room.